Hello everyone, this is Satvik, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can install OWASP Juice Shop. So without getting any delay, let's start. So guys, the process I'm going to show you is really simple. First of all, simply type Heroku in your favorite browser and then click on it. Click on the first link you'll be getting and sign up for the Heroku account. Okay, so sign up. You'll sign up with an email, and then you'll be getting a confirmation mail, and then it will be asking you for the password. So enter it, and then now navigate to the link that I provide you in the description below. And guys, if you don't know what's the use of Juice Shop, so Juice Shop is an application which is a buggy application which helps you in practicing your web application penetration testing skills. So if you click on the link, you'll be going to this page, and this is a quick video. So simply click on deploy to Heroku. Since you already signed in, so you'll be getting a page like this, or else it will be asking you for sign up. Provide an app name. So provide an app name which is not taken. If it is available, you can go ahead, choose the region of your choice. Simply click on deploy app. So it is creating the app, it created, and it is configuring the environment. And here you can see the build of the application. So or else so in the meantime, you can simply click on this icon Heroku here, and here you can see the application that you created. Simply click on it, and then here you can see the build in progress. So once the build is completed, you can simply click on this open app, and you will be getting the application like this. And since this is gonna take some time, I'm not gonna show it. So I had already created an instance which is called Baby Juice Shop, and if you click on this open app, you will be getting your Juice Shop, and you can't use it because I'm gonna delete it after as soon as this video is completed. So make sure you have your own instance of your Juice Shop so that you can follow along some videos I'm gonna do daily. Okay, so I'm gonna do a video on how you can solve these challenges daily. Okay, so and those are going to be short videos, like less than 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the application you will be getting after installing. Okay, so one more thing I want to show you is simply click on me wanted here, and so there is a sorry. So if you click on this code board, you will be getting a board, and one challenge is completed. This is a default challenge, and you can do it with the help of simply typing the scoreboard in the attachment to your instance. And here you can see some challenges: 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, and 6 star. You can solve them, and I will be making videos on I'll be making these videos on how you can do this. So guys, this is how you can install a Juice Shop using Heroku. So if you like this video, please like it and do subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. And you can follow me on my Twitter, and as well as you can join my Discord server for more support. So this is Satvik signing off.